Compare fractions only when they refer to the same whole.
Today, watch the scene carefully. The numbers and symbols are part of the world, so the structure can be seen before it is named. Our focus is to compare two fractions with different numerators and different denominators. We do this by creating common denominators or numerators, or by comparing to a benchmark fraction, such as 1/2. We must also recognize that comparisons are valid only when the two fractions refer to the same whole. The labels you see are evidence, not decoration. The animal action shows the quantities or structure, and we record that exact same relationship with a greater than, equal to, or less than sign. Here at the half-marker rock, Sedge the otter finds a snack bar shaded to 3/8, sitting right beside a benchmark marker designated at 1/2. This diagram shows the two amounts in the environment. To compare them, we rewrite the benchmark. 1/2 equals 4/8. Looking at the physical blocks, 3/8 is less than 4/8, so 3/8 sits below 1/2. 3/8 is less than 1/2. Downstream, parallel mud bars are shaded 2/3 and 3/4. How can these match? We rewrite in twelfths. 2/3 equals 8/12 and 3/4 equals 9/12. Lining up the new segments, 8/12 is less than 9/12. We record the comparison. 2/3 is less than 3/4 because 8/12 is less than 9/12. At the same numerator RIL, matching environmental bars are shaded to 5/6 and 5/8. Both count exactly 5 parts. Notice the cell widths. 6ths are larger parts than 8ths of the same whole. 5 larger parts is more. 5/6 is greater than 5/8. Is 1/2 of a short reed the same amount as 1/2 of a long reed? The holes are different sizes. Half of the long reed is more material. No, halves of different holes are different amounts. Comparison requires the same whole. Following the river's path back to its source, the mathematical structure is visible within the landscape itself. The labels show what each quantity means, while the animal action shows how those quantities change. The final mathematical expressions record these physical observations into formal notation. Which label in the environment tells you the most important mathematical relationship, and how does the animal action prove it?
Common denominators make the comparison direct.